Hi, I'm Teresa Moulton, Editor-in-Chief of the Change Management Review, and I'm here with Edwina Pike of Pike Squared and Irrational Change. She is one of our brilliant speakers at the Lead Change Conference this year, and I just wanted to introduce you to her and have her tell you a little bit about what she's going to speak about and why it would be great to go to her session. Ed?
Hey, Teresa, thank you so much for the introduction. So let's talk about behavioral science and the benefits of behavioral science to you and your change practice. And I'm really excited to share this with you because I truly believe that applying behavioral science to your change practice is going to be the next game changer in our world of behavioral change. Now, behavioral science gives us a predictability about what humans are likely to do. We think we are unique, but actually we're more predictable than you think. And that predictability allows us to work smarter, not harder, as we can design changes that are more likely to be effectively implemented and adopted. We can spot things before they're likely to happen and get really smart. Now, we're also going to talk about some of my favorite things, which are brain hacks, which are little tricks that we can use to help ourselves, because we have biases, we are humans too, and others adopt change more easily, to coach our leaders to help them use language that are different as well. I'm really excited about this one. I can't wait to see you there.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it as well. What do you think change professionals will take away from your session? You mentioned a lot of good things that you'll be covering. What do you think they'll walk away with?
Good question. I feel like I'm throwing the kitchen sink in there, not a real kitchen sink, but a virtual kitchen sink. Let's see what we can do this. So the things that I think I would value most as a change practitioner, I've been a change practitioner for 30 years. I'm one of the old guys here. I think the ability to recognize our cognitive biases, see them in ourselves, see them in others, but also the impact that they have. Because if you have that level of awareness, you can make different choices. And I think that's the second one, which is the ability to predict your outcome. Knowledge around the biases, you can predict the likely flow of things very, very quickly, which again informs the choices, informs your change strategy and how you and what you do about it. I am going to touch as well on the ethics of nudging behaviors, and you may have heard of nudging in the past. And that's one of those things that always feels a little bit strange. We're going to talk a little bit about the ethics as well. But what I'd really like you to walk away with is the confidence to apply some of these thoughts, ideas, cognitive biases and brain hacks in your own practice. That confidence to take the first step, which is always the hardest step. And if we really get this working, you're going to love the irrational, the same as I do, because change in the future is going to be irrational, not rational.
Great. That sounds fantastic. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll look forward to hearing it in real time in November.
Awesome. I can't wait. I can't wait to see you in November.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye, Ed.